So let's go over this ab roller. I'm gonna go over all the different features of it, then demo it, and then talk about my experiences using it to help you make a better buying decision. So let's just have a look at just the features of the ab roller. I'll go ahead and put it down on the ground. So if we look at the ab roller, we have pads right here for our elbows. We can also add our phone right here, so we can watch YouTube videos, just mess around with our music when we're doing the ab roller. And of course we have the bar where we can put both our hands. So if we look at the screen here, we just turn it on by long pressing for 3 seconds, and then it'll turn on. And then there are 3 different modes we can use. So if you notice, it says FRE right there. That is just the rep counter. Then we can go to the second mode here, just tap on the screen, and we'll get the calorie counter. And then the third one, that's the number of seconds, but it's just the time. So I like usually doing the reps. I can like see how many reps I do. And again, if you want to turn off the device, just hold it down for 3 seconds. And what's really nice about this roller is it does have the wheels that will provide some resistance on the way back. So you get a nice smooth ab roll with this. So let's go ahead and just demo this out. Okay, so there are 2 ways to use this. We can be on our knees and we can use it. So go ahead and demo that. Just like that. We can see that it's counting right on the screen. I can feel the resistance of the wheels, giving that smooth roll on the way back. And then we can also get on our toes as well. So of course, going on our toes is a little bit more difficult. So I'd start out with your knees first and work your way towards being on your toes. So that is definitely a really good workout. So I can definitely feel that in my entire abs right now. This definitely gives a good workout. I just did 9 reps there. Okay, so my experiences with this ab roller, it works really well. It's very smooth. I like how you can count the reps as well as have the calories. I personally like doing the reps the most, just so you can see how many you do. That way you can just track how you're progressing. And what's also nice about the purchase with this ab roller is you also get bands. We have this little device here that we just put in the door, and then we can just thread through the bands and then have a workout. And there are instructions for different workouts that you can do for each muscle group that comes with your purchase. Also nice is we do get handles that we can attach to the bands as well, making it much easier to do the workout. So let's just have a look at these bands in action. Okay, so here we have the little device that we'll put in the door. We want this to be on the other side of this door, this little donut thing. So go ahead and thread it on through. Just like that. Right next to the hinge. And just close the door. All right, and we could just thread the bands on through. And then we can attach the handles. Okay. And then we can begin our workout. So we can do biceps on this one. And we can also move the little donut thing up higher to do other exercises as well. And again, there's a little pamphlet in there in your purchase that goes over the different exercises that you can do for your different muscle groups. So this is definitely a ab roller and band set worth checking out.